Okay, so first step, it should be disconnect the battery, positive, remove out the battery, and then get on the car, but the rear, or let's say about the driver's side strut, and you go through, but the driver's side, rear tire, driver's side, driver's side wheel. You get on the right on the by the transmission, under the exhaust manifold, and then this gonna be your starter right here, and then one of the connectors for the starter. This is the signal for the ignition switch, so you just unplug this one because it's a long wire to the starter. The other bolt, it should be in here, as you see right there. I already removed the nut right there, but I'm gonna show you what I use for get it out. So it's gonna be 6 and 3 inches extension with the long 13, and the access to remove that one is gonna be right here. See about the strut right there? You will see that right there. See, this is the access to get that one out. It's right here. You see right there? It's right there. So with the extension, you should go in here. You should go in here like that, and you will see how it goes. It goes like that, so you can lose that one out of the way. And so you get this one out of the way. Remove this one out of the right there. Now we're gonna get the 15 to get. Let me see. To get this one right here and this one right here. So let me get the 15. Okay, so 15 right here. I got that one loose. The other one right here. Got that loose. So I'm gonna remove the first one. Get it out. It's kind of tight because the starter is hanging. If I was using both hands, so I can push it up and then I can lose that hand. It should come out right now. Okay, it's already loose. Now, let's see. If you see now, the starter is already loose. And now we can start removing it. Now we can start playing to get it out with. Let me get it ready and show you. Okay, guys. So if I see it's already loose. It's already loose, but we got the racking pinion right here, which we have no room to get it out from this side. So what we gotta do is we just going back here and go back here. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab it from here, slide our hand. Okay, remove the 10 millimeters right here. Remove, so you got a little room to move these lines down there. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab that thing. You're gonna do a little wiggly in there to get it out. To jump that. Let me see if I can do that so you can see what I'm saying. See right there. Okay, let me get that. So what you gotta do is do a little shake it thing so you can jump. Already jump from those lines right there. Already jump it over. Those lines. See, it's already on the other side. Now let me see if I can bring it up too. Let me see if I can record that part right there. Yeah, I think I can get it. Okay, if you see right there, we got that part right there out. Now we just have to See, I already jumped right there. Yeah, I already jumped right there. Now we gotta go this side right here. Let me see if I can record that part right there. Let me see with the flashlight. Okay, right there. So what we gonna do is we have to jump this part right here. See right here. Now we have to move to the left a little bit. Hold on. Let me pull it up a little bit. Just pull it. Now we got it right here, stuck right here, and we got a little room right here. So we gotta do is gonna twist it. We're trying to find a way to twist this one. Let me see. I can barely do it with one hand. Let me see. Lift it up a little bit so we can just jump the other shoulder. Hold on. Okay. See, I jump it. Now, see right here, it's against to the compressor right here on the edge right there, and right down here. But here we got enough to push it down, so we have to twist it. See the way that twist that way? Now, see it now. Hold on, let me see if you can see that one right there. No. See right there how it looks, the way it looks now. So let me get the zoom out. So now we just have to find it. See, just pull it, and then see this is how it can. Let me see if I can get this without pushing those lines down. Yeah, see, it came off. I know it looks like it won't come off. But, you know, you just have to play with this part right here, like, you know, bring it like, first you lose it, you have to lift it up so you can jump the lines from the rack and pinion. You lift it, pull it, then you have to twist it and pull it, and then you have to twist it back like that, pull it after you twist it back. Then you have to twist it back a little bit more like that, and then bring it out, and then just bring it down. It's just kind of tricky, but that's the way to go. And same thing to put it back. You just have to do the same way you get it out. That's same way you go. You're gonna put it back. So hope this video helped, guys, and I'm gonna record the part when I put the new one. And if not, I'll see you next time. And I hope this video helped and save you some money. Please don't forget to subscribe, you know, leave a comment. I do my best to respond and help you out. So, peace, guys. Okay, guys, to get the new one back in there, so it should go this way. Look at this way. Okay, see this way right there? Let me see right there. See how it goes? It's kind of tight in there, but it should go in there. Look. Hold on, let me get this right. Right there. Right there. It should go in there. Look. See how it went through in there from here? You just do a little push in there, but that's the way to go. Look. See right there? So that's the way to go right there. Just push it in there. It should pop in there. And now you just have to do the same thing like you did when you get it out. Let me see if I can do that with one hand. Okay, so we have to slide it in there. Remember, you have to jump that part, the front part first. Then push it in. See the way to go? Okay, see how it goes in there? Let me see. Let me see how it goes in there. Man, hold on. Wait, it's better. So, see how it went through from here to there, and then you just slide it back in there, you know, and then right there. Now you have to go the other side and lift it up, the front of it, so you can jump it. See? Or let me see. See right there. You have to pass that part right there. Jump it Right now it should be almost close to the position that we need it. And then, let's see, I can get it. Yeah, but most of it's already in there, you know, so. Yeah, that's the way to go. It's in there, I just have to align it now with the, but it's already in there. Yeah, but that's the way to go. See, it's already, I need both hands to slide it in there and put the bolts back on, but that's the way to go. So, yeah. And, you know, just put the bolts back on and everything else. So it should be not that hard. So I hope that helped, guys. I'll see you next time. Peace.